Welcome to Best Display Tips. In this video, I will show you how to block or unblock a number on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other Pixel device running the latest Android 16 version. So in this video, I will show you three different methods to block or unblock a number. So let's see one by one. One of the easiest method is just open the phone app on your device. Here you can see the recent contact list. Just long press the contact you want to block on your device from the recent list. So here we long press this number and you can see the block or a report option. So tap on it. Now here you can see the block option, report call as a spam, report call as a scam you want. So here we select both because I don't know about this number, and you will no longer receive the phone calls and the text from this number when you block specific number on your Google Pixel 10 series or any other device. Here you can select report call as a spam. So any nuisance call, irrelevant or unsolicited promotion offer. Also report call as a scam offer, means unknown caller asking for your personal financial or device info. So tap on a block option to block a number. Here you can set what did the scammer ask for you. So here you can check anything like a payment, logic, login card details, access outs, not applicable. Tap on the next button. Who did the scammer pretend to be? Here you can set not applicable. Tap on submit. Now block and report it from this contact. You can also use the second method. Just open the phone app again on the device. Tap on the three horizontal line at the top right, top left corner. Tap on the contacts. Here you can see the list of contacts on your device. So tap any contact you want to block number. Now when you tap on the contact, scroll down and you can find at the end block numbers option. So tap on it. Now tap on a block to block this number. You will no longer receive calls and texts from this number on the device. And the last method is you can manually add the contact number or choose from your contact list on your device. So let's see this method. Follow the same step. Tap on the three horizontal line at the top left corner. Tap on the settings. Here you can find the option block numbers. So tap on the block numbers. Now here toggle on the option block calls from the unidentified callers, means any unknown number or unidentified callers will automatically block when you toggle on this option. Here you can add a number. So tap on add a number and manually enter the number you want to block on your device like this and tap on a block option. Now you can see the number block on your device. To unblock a number from your Google Pixel 10 or any other Pixel 10 series, just tap on the cross icon here to unblock it on your device. Like tap on a cross icon on your device, tap on a cross icon, tap on a unblock to unblock the number on your device, and you can receive the call and text from this number. Also you can use the same, just long press the block number on your contact, tap on unblock option, tap on unblock to unblock it on your device. So quite easy to block or unblock a number on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL. That's it. Like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.